Another one of the important landmarks is just a short ride away. It's a very famous since it's named after me. Just joking. It's actually the best known Berlin Wall crossing between the East Berlin and West Berlin during the Cold War, and this crossing represents the separation of the East and the West. Now here's another important landmark here in Berlin is the Checkpoint Charlie. Now this is the most well-known Berlin Wall crossing between East Berlin and West Berlin during the Cold War. In fact, the tension got so high at one point the American tanks was facing off the Soviet tanks. Now after the Cold War, this becomes a tourist attraction. Now if you wonder which side is the American side, you just need to look at the flag and also where the KFC and McDonald's are located. It's pretty easy to find. The name Charlie comes from the letter C in the native phonetic alphabet and was designated as a single crossing point on foot or by car for foreigners and members of Allied forces. During its 28-year active life, the eastern side added the watchtower and zigzag barrier as well as multi-lane shed. However, the Allied authority never erected any permanent buildings since they do not consider Inner Berlin sector boundary as an international border and do not treat it as such.